Alright guys, welcome back. So as you remember from last video, I talked about the suspension setup on my car, how it's riding a little high. So after all back and forth with Beamer World and Eibach, they finally sent me the right shock or right springs. These already can tell are significantly lower than the ones that are in there, so let's fix this ride height situation. So as of right now, this is the ride height of the rear. As you can see, it's pretty high. I'd say it's at least 3-4 inches of ride height. So let's see if we can get that fixed. Alright. And as you can see already, look at the massive size difference in these. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 coils compared to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 coils. Alright, so here we go. Here's the ones I just had in there, and here's the right ones. It's quite a bit of a difference. Let's hope it goes in. Well, to get this one out was not fun. It took 4 people to get in. Somehow I got it off by myself, but as you can tell, I'm out of breath. Alright, let's get that new one in there. Alright, and as you guys saw on the Instagram, my wife just had surgery, so she's recovering. That's why she's not wanting to be on video. He's hurting, not feeling good. She's resting while I try to do this by myself. So the camera angles might look a little weird right now. Doing everything by myself. Alright guys, I just want to give a little update. So I'm editing the video right now, and this spot where I put in this little clip, I was struggling with this one spring for probably 20 minutes. I have no idea why that one other side, the passenger side, took so long. But if you see a gigantic clip and I look different and a little more irritated, that's why. It probably took a half an hour to get it out. Alright, back to the video. Oh no! And this is why you slow down. Or is this the top one? I think that's the top one. Here's the top. Bottom. Alright guys, moment of truth. Let's hope it's actually lower.
Oh yeah, significantly already. That is a straight line.
Ooh, that's way better.
Move. Hold on, let me get in the middle. Keep moving. Sorry.
We're gonna sell a couple more inches too. Definitely
That's like
lower.
a straight line. I'm gonna go around the other side.
Makes the front look less gigantic. Or less super small.
And that will settle. Now what are you doing?
Torquing the lug nuts. This wheel goes on weird. On the other side. And then when I took off my tires today, I noticed a couple of my lug nuts were loose. Either that means someone tried to steal my rims and got to my key and saw uh-oh, or they're getting loose somehow. So right now, after I get this all tightened up, take it for a ride around the block and then retighten them just in case. Now all you gotta do is tighten the shocks. Since you got bushings, you wanna make sure you tighten them when the load is on the car. And that's it. Those are 74 foot-pounds. Do 75 just to be safe. Oh yeah, that's quite a bit lower. On the other side, we had to makeshift that bolt. So I'm gonna go by feel. Use the old torque wrench. Click. And that's it. Definitely way better compared to stock. I'm gonna take it a ride around the block, check the lug nuts again, and then I'll do an outro with you guys. Alright guys, and that's it. Drives way better. I don't feel like I'm riding in a hot rod. Next, what we're gonna be doing is I have to do my subframe bushings, the Guibo drive shaft, and I still need to get those control arms and front mounts for the shocks. Alright guys, we'll see you next time. Bye.